Welcome to this tutorial on using Google Gemini to summarize and extract insights from long documents. By the end of this video, you'll see how quickly Gemini can condense a lengthy report into a brief summary. As a quick win, let's try this. Go to your Google Gemini homepage and in the input box, type, "Summarize the following text." Insert a short passage from a long document. Hit enter and watch Gemini generate a concise summary in seconds. This simple first step is a great way to start using Gemini right away. Long documents can be overwhelming, whether they're research papers, business reports, or extensive articles. For professionals, students, or anyone who needs to digest large amounts of information, summarizing these texts can save hours of reading time. Google Gemini's summarization abilities allow users to extract key points and insights quickly, facilitating better decision-making and information retention. If you're tired of sifting through pages of text to find the important bits, Gemini is the tool for you. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. First, open Google Gemini on your browser. Once you're there, click on the text input area. For our example, we'll use a sample report. Copy a paragraph or two from this document that you want to summarize. Next, paste it into the input area with the prompt. Please summarize this text, your pasted text. After hitting enter, you'll see Gemini processing the input. Watch as it generates a neat summary. Now, let's take it a step further. If you want more structured insights, you can use prompts like, "What are the main points of this text?" or "List the key insights from this document." By using these variations, you can guide Gemini to provide insights tailored to your needs. Remember, sometimes users may mistakenly input overly long texts, which can confuse the model. If this happens, a simple fix is to break down the text into smaller sections and summarize them one at a time. This ensures you receive clear and relevant summaries each time. Once you're comfortable with basic summarization, consider using some advanced features. One powerful capability of Gemini is its contextual understanding across various formats. For example, you can input sections of documents alongside images or charts, and ask Gemini to summarize or extract insights related to the visual content. This is where Gemini truly shines compared to other models. It integrates multimodal inputs seamlessly. Another advanced tip is to take advantage of the API for batch processing if you have multiple documents to analyze. It streamlines the workflow significantly. In summary, Google Gemini is a powerful tool for summarizing and extracting insights from long documents efficiently. Start with simple commands like "Summarize this text" and build from there. Remember to break down larger texts for clearer results and leverage Gemini's advanced features for even more effective summarization. Now that you have the basics down, try summarizing a document today and see how much time you can save. Don't forget to explore the API for bulk processing if you frequently work with large texts.